digging the holes. It's more convenient. Yeah, removing the comb. This is the PT slab level soffit of level 12. Wow, this would be great. It's removing the panel through the loading platform here. Forward, they will lifting up the seat. There's another platform usually behind. So nice view. Coming in, you bring, and then we will do. There is a signal over there. We will control by the radio. Up, 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 up. Carefully the top of there. Up or down. Sing down. Let's go to the next. I believe this kind of foam quality you cannot see body and the best already. I haven't recorded the video long time already, almost a month. Now we go to level 14. 14. Bánh tân hồi chân. The one to finish the homework by today because they have to catch the concrete by 12, so they have only 2 days more. This zone is nothing now. Nothing. Yes. Is the PT profile inside the banding. Already installed this one. Yes. See you next video. Bye bye.